Today's sermon is for the person who uses a public restroom and walks out without flushing. Brothers and sisters of basic awareness, you saw it, you knew it was there, and you left it for the next person like it's not your problem. That's not forgetful, that's careless. Wake up, be present. Others exist. Someone else now has to deal with what you chose to ignore. It takes 1 second. Flush the toilet, wash your hands, leave it better than you found it. This has been today's sermon. Go forth and act like you were raised indoors.